Hello, in this video I will show you how you can bypass forgotten screen lock on POCO M7 Pro. If you forget your screen lock password, the only way to use your POCO M7 Pro is by hard resetting your device. So to do it, you have to press two buttons at the same time, power button and volume up button in the same time, just like that. And now in the power section you have to swipe up to completely power off your POCO M7 Pro. Now hold the power button, and when POCO logo appears, you have to release your finger from the power button and hold only volume up button. Now I'm holding only volume up button, and after that I will be in the recovery mode. As you can see, I am in the recovery mode right now. So to navigate over here, you have to use volume up, volume down, and power button to select something, to confirm. So now go to wipe data and go to wipe all data. After that, every single file from your POCO M7 Pro will be deleted. If you have some backup, there is no worries about this, but everything will be deleted after that. But this can help you with bypassing of your forgotten screen lock. So now click confirm over here, and after that the hard resetting of your POCO M7 Pro will begin. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.